problems based on complement of set. So, here we are going to discuss or we are going to perform some of the problems which are based on complement of sets. So, in this regard, say first of all, let us assume two sets, say A and B, which are of finite, that means has finite number of elements in it. So, here let A and B are two finite sets. Then we can write N of A union B as N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. So, here N of A intersection B is subtracted from the sum of N of A and as well as N of B in order to get N of A union B. Similarly, so here N of, instead of A union B, if I write here A intersection B, then we can write it as N of A plus N of B will be same as per the previous formula, whereas here we are going to subtract when is of A union B on the LHS. So, we have subtracted A intersection B, N of A intersection B. Here in the second case, N of A intersection B is on the left hand side. So, we have to subtract N of A union B. So, here when two sets A and B are of finite, we can write N of A union B as N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, and the second one as N of A intersection B equals to N of A plus N of B minus N of A union B. And let mu be universal set. So, we have considered or we have assumed, say here this mu as the universal set, and A be any finite set. So, in this manner we have assumed, say here mu as the universal set and A, that is set A as a finite one, has finite number of elements in it. Then we can write it as then N of A complement, number of elements in the complement of set A is equals to N of mu minus N of A is the formula in order to get the N of A complement. Instead A, set A, if it is of B, we would have got as N of B dash is equals to N of mu minus N of set B. So, here in this manner, so we got N of A dash as N of mu minus N of A. Based upon these formulae, let us perform few problems upon these. Now, example number 1. First example is of if N of mu, number of elements in the universal set, are of 40 and N of A as 20 and N of B dash as 16 and N of A union B as 32. So, here we have to find out n of b and as well as n of A intersection B. So solution starts now. Say in our solution, as per the problem, the quantities which are given for us are of n of mu is given as 40 and n of A is given as the 20. So here n of complement of B, that is n of B dash, is equals to 16 and n of A union B is given as 32. With the help of these quantities, say we have to find out n of B, but we know that n of B dash is given by means of n of mu minus n of B. So here, as we stated in the formula, that is n of A dash is equals to n of mu minus n of A. If A is replaced by means of the another set B, so n of B dash will be equals to n of mu minus n of B. So here, so we got the same formula here. So here, based upon this formula, so we are going to find out the unknown quantity which is n of B, which is to be find. So here n of B dash value is given as 16. So here n of B dash must be replaced by means of the value 16, then that equals to n of mu. So n of mu universal set is given by means of 40 minus n of B is unknown. So here that is to be find. So here n of B must be written as it is. I want to transpose. In order to find out n of B, its coefficient must be of 1 and with positive sign. So here n of B is of negative, which is on the right hand side. I want to transpose it to the left hand side. So I am going to transpose minus n of B on the left hand side. Similarly, at the same time 16 will be transposed to the right hand side, which is of positive. Minus n of B, when it is transposed to the left hand side, it becomes, so here plus n of B, that equals to minus n of B is transposed now to the left hand side with positive sign, and only 40 is left over on the right hand side. At the same time, so positive 16 plus 16 must be transposed to the right hand side, plus 16 when it is transposed to the right hand side becomes minus 16. So I got this step by transposing both LHS and as well as the RHS quantities. So LHS and RHS terms. LHS term plus 16 transposed to the right hand side and wrote it as minus 16, and right hand side term, that is minus n of B, is transposed to the left hand side and we wrote it as plus n of B. So therefore n of B value is of, so we have to simplify 40 and as well as 16 with the difference. So 16 is of negative and 40 is of positive. So here to simplify this, so here plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract 40 minus 16 is of 24. So here, so 40 minus 16 is of 24. To assess the sign of 24, we have to see the greater among 40 and 16. Among 40 and 16, 40 is greater than 16. 40 sign is of positive. The sign assessed to this 24 is of positive. So in this manner, I got n of B value as 24. So in this manner, so I got n of B as, so therefore, hence n of B is equals to 24. Then later, so we know the values of n of B, n of A and as well as n of A union B. We have to find out n of A intersection B. So in order to find out n of A intersection B, so we can utilize this formula, that is n of A intersection B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of A union B. So here, but we know that n of, in order to find, so n of A intersection B, so I am going to write the formula as n of A intersection B equals to n of A plus n of B minus n of, here it is of A intersection B, so I have to subtract n of A union B from the sum of n of A and as well as n of B. So here by utilizing this formula and writing the quantities which are given for us, so we got n of b as, so n of b is equals to 24. So n of a value is given as per the problem as, so here n of a is of 20 and so here n of a union b is also given as 32. So n of a union b equals to 32. So n of a union b equals to 32. So here let us substitute n of a intersection b is unknown in this. So here n of a union b, n of a intersection b is to be found. So here let us replace these values in order to find out n of a intersection b in this formula. So here n of a intersection b equals to n of a is replaced by means of 20 plus n of b is of 24 minus n of a union b value is given by means of 32. That implies, let us simplify first of all these two terms which are of positive. So 20 plus 24 is of 44 with positive minus 32 written as it is. To simplify further, so here 32 is of negative and 44 is of positive. So plus of minus is minus, we have to subtract greater minus least, 44 minus 32, 4 minus 2 is of 2 and 4 minus 3 is of 1, that is 44 minus 32 is of 12. To assess the sign here, among 32 and 44, 44 is greater than 32, 44 sign is of positive, so we can assess the sign of 12 as the positive. So in this manner, so here therefore n of a intersection b is of plus 12. Hence the required values are of, so here n of b, whose value is of 24, this is one value, and the another value is of n of a intersection b is equals to 12. In the similar manner, so let us go for another example.